that is a funding cycle, and I'm not exaggerating about this. I have documentation to prove this. Every time I've raised money, I have had a higher valuation on the table term sheet. But मैं हमेशा मेरे को ये लगा यार, right partner over 1 or 2% dilution, because the right partner, it's like a marriage.
Yeah.
You want the right people. Today I'm proud to say that Deepak, Ash and Arjun are also my closest, not friends, not family, closest people. Friends, family, sab chhod do, they're my closest people in life. I can talk to them about anything in the world, and I'm a testament to the fact that you should have the right partner over the highest valuation. Don't get me wrong, I'm very dilution sensitive. I'm very, I think I'm one of the founders with the highest shareholding in his company. So I'm very dilution sensitive, but still I'm saying the right partner over the highest number is critical for an organization. If you have a
Last minute deals hook karo.
और hotels Go Ibibo पे book करो.
Download now and get flat 25% off.
nasty investor sitting on your cap table, without naming those investors, some of my friends, I'm sure some of your friends, things have gone horribly wrong with the investor and founder fit not being there. So it's a marriage, right? It's a long-term thing.
Can I ask you one thing? Would you have, like, I think in your case with Deepak, Ash and Arjun, I think it is independent of the institution they represent. It is because who they were as people. So whether they were at DSG or Sama or World Invest or wherever they were.
I did not take money from DSG or Sama. I took money from Ash and Deepak. The firms were called DSG and Sama. I became friends with the people. And also you have to understand that those times these funds were also managing partner first. I could pick up the call and speak to Deepak. For a new founder to do that today is very difficult because DSG has also become a bigger fund. So I was lucky again, same for Sama. I could pick up the phone and reach out to Ash. Today, Sama, I would still say you can, even though it's a very big fund, you can still reach out to Ash. Arjun was not the person who invested in the company. It was a guy called Nick. He runs another fund now, a beautiful fund, amazing fund called Venturi. So Nick was the partner who came into Viva, but Nick left immediately, and Arjun and me got along really well. So I was telling Arjun that please you come on the board, and then obviously Arjun became Arjun, and he he took over the entire Asia office of World Invest. And Arjun is the only, how do I say, जब अर्जुन के साथ मेरी मीटिंग होती है ना, he is the only guy because he knows more about Viva than me. So when he comes to the office, I have to have a crash course from my CFO Rahul कि भाई Arjun is coming, बताओ मेरे को क्या चल रहा है, because Arjun is super intelligent. Like he knows everything about everything, and I pull Arjun like a quick, does one of your analysts give you a line by line crash course about so
these guys have muscle which is quite very impressive.
दीपक और राज को बोलते हैं कभी तुम भी पूछा करो कंपनी के बारे में कुछ, ये के बाद
वो investor कम founder ज्यादा है.
वो
So with Arjun he's a very private minded guy.
But Arjun is sharp, and I see again, yes, he's an investor, but with Arjun also, he's my